In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove estimated taxes in Shopify checkout. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to hide that estimated tax label from your checkout so the experience is a little cleaner and less confusing for your customers. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and your online store. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click on Online Store. This is where you manage everything related to your storefront, including themes, pages, and design settings. After you click Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed at the top of the themes page. Next to the main edit button for your live theme, there's a set of 3 dots, usually on the right-hand side. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options for that theme. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option called Edit Default Theme Content. This opens up the language and text editor for your theme. Instead of changing code, you're changing the wording that appears throughout your store, including your cart and checkout. Once the language editor loads, look towards the top of the page for the search icon. Click that search icon to open the search bar. This lets you quickly find specific pieces of text without having to scroll through all the different sections manually. In the search bar, type Estimated Tax. Shopify will search through all the theme text and bring up the fields related to that phrase. After a moment, you should see 2 fields that reference estimated tax in your checkout. Now, in each of those 2 fields, remove the existing text and type a single full stop or period. The reason for using just a full stop is that Shopify requires something in the field, but using a single character makes the label effectively invisible or unnoticeable to customers, so no readable estimated tax text is displayed. Once you've added the full stop to both fields, go to the top or bottom right corner of the page and click Save. Give it a moment to process. After it saves, you can open your online store in a new tab, add a product to your cart, and proceed to checkout to confirm that the estimated tax label is no longer showing in the way it did before. And that's it. You've successfully removed the estimated tax text from your Shopify